So we're going to need something white. It works on anything really, but I picked this because it's padded and it's quite rigid, so I can hold it straight. That's what I want. With a bit of paper to flap about all over the place. Torch. What you're going to do is going to shine this through the end. Now, safety briefing, everybody. Emergency exits are here, here and here. Please don't look through there when you're shining that through there. There's multiple bits of magnification glass there. It's going to do your eyes no good whatsoever, okay? I've done the health and safety bit.